Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection on this XIAOMI. First of all, open Settings, then scroll down, click on Additional Settings over here and tap on Languages and Input. Then go into Manage Keyboards and tap on Settings under your currently used keyboard, in my case Gboard. Over here, go into Text Correction, scroll down and tap on the switcher next to Autocorrection feature. Autocorrection is now disabled. You can turn it on by tapping at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!